Hi guys. So as usual, I edit all the video in the Power BI playlist so you can learn step by step without missing anything. So these videos are the combination of the previous video in data model and Power BI tutorial. So you can miss anything if you miss that. So watch it first to understand the concept clearly. Now coming on the topic, the topic is this cardinality. So relationship cardinality is like one to one, one to many, many to many, many to many. So in this video, I will explain relationship cardinality, when to use one to one, when to use many to many is the diagnosis, and how to fix it like a real data list. Have you ever seen many to many warning in the Power BI and thought, what is wrong in this? Yeah, I'll explain and give you the proper guidance in this. So let's open the topic. Yeah, relationship cardinality. Okay. So in this table, if you observe, there's a one table, the product table, and there's a sales data. Okay. So in this cardinality is referred to the uniqueness in the column. This one, right? Likely all the relationship in the data model should be follow a one-to-one cardinality, one instead of the each primary key and many instead of the each foreign key, like this. So one is like there's a one and there's a many, this asterisk symbol, right? So this explain there is a one instead of the each product key in the product table, like you noted that one, this one. Since each row the contain the attribute of a single product, name the SKU, maybe description, price, lots of columns, right? So there are the many instead of the each product key in the sales table, noted in the asterisk here. Slash there is a multiple sales for the each product. So there is a relationship in this, many to one to many. So let's try to understand this. What is the many to many? What is the one to one? Let's take the one to one first. See, so in this one to one, there is a product ID 1578, and there is a product ID in the price lookup and the product lookup. They all are the one to one. One product ID is coming in the one product ID. So connecting two tables above using the product ID, creating the one to one relationship, since a product ID only the appeared once in the each table, right? So this is not necessarily a bad relationship, but you can simplify the modeling by the merging the table into the single valid dimension table, right? Like this. But still note, respect this rule of normalization, since all the row are unique and the capture product signify attributes, right? So these are the one to one cardinality. Let's try to understand what is the many to many. See, when you click many product ID in the many product ID in the sales, so like the 4 in the cream soda and diet cream soda, and this is a sale. So how do you recognize which cream soda is being sold over here, right? There would be confusion and would not be good relationship in this. So if you try to connect the table above using the product ID, we'll get a many to many relationship warning like this. And since there is a multiple instant of the product ID in both table, that is understood, right? So even you are focused or facing the relationship issue like this, so how many we know the product was actually sold in the each table, right? Because both are the same. So that is the many to many cardinality, and that is not good, right? So basis on this, I'll coming in the next video where I'll just show you the connecting the multiple factor tables in the coming video. See you. Stay tuned.